Davanti is a new performance tyre brand. We bring together world-leading manufacturing capability with European-led product design and brand development. We've come to IDIADA, which is the European proving ground for automotive products, to test our Davantis and to see how they perform against rival brands.
We are one of the most comprehensive proving grounds in the world, so we can provide all the tools for the development of tires, but also the evaluation, subjective and objective, and finally to get the approval. What Davanti is looking for is objective results in terms of noise, wet grip, and rolling resistance.
We're doing a full suite of testing, all the critical tests, including aquaplaning, wet braking, dry handling, and one of the most critical for the European market, which is the wet handling tests.
Tyre testing gives us a much greater insight into how our tyres actually perform in the real world. By understanding better how our tyres perform, we are able to highlight areas of performance that can be improved on and develop new and innovative tread patterns for the future.
We've brought our two most popular tyres here because they cover the majority of our range. The data will help us and our dealer network understand the specific performance benefits of Davanti tyres.
The Davanti products in the range at the moment include the DX390, which is a high-performance tyre designed for smaller passenger car vehicles, and the DX640, which is an ultra-high-performance tyre designed for more sporty and bigger luxury vehicles.
We are putting our tyres through their paces on the wet handling circuits to find out how they perform and how they compare with other tyres, both similar in terms of their price point but also the premium competition.
When the tyre breaks away, when that control is lost, it's very important that the tyre helps you. It's got some natural stability and some natural resistance. So that's what we're looking for, and we have to do that in a controlled manner.
It's important that customers can live with a tyre on a day-to-day basis. We've developed our tyres to be optimised for low noise to make sure that our customers get the most comfortable drive.
When we're looking on these controlled single solid inputs, that gives us an understanding of how the tyre will respond in the real world situation, things like potholes and speed bumps.
With the wet weather we experience in the UK, combined with a very crowded road network, wet braking is key to consumers.
Strong wet braking performance is an important feature in a tyre because it's a key safety factor. Drivers must have the confidence that they can stop no matter what the road conditions.
When you're looking at stopping distance, it's all about a balance. In the same way that you're trying to laterally support the tyre, you're trying to longitudinally balance the tyre. So again, you're still looking at the compound and the structure, and that takes a little bit more effort in development.
Dry handling is something that isn't directly covered by the standard EU label that's on the tyre. So we wanted to test how well they handle on the track and test their suitability for high-performance applications.
On the dry track, one of the key things is we're using a high-performance derivative of the vehicles, so we're pushing the tyre to its limit by deliberately doing things that you wouldn't want your customer to do, so lifting in the corner, braking hard in the corner, applying full throttle. So we're deliberately trying to unbalance the car and see how the tyre copes with that input. We want the tyre to respond in a predictable and safe manner. I've been very pleased with the performance. The consistency of the results has been very high, and that's a very difficult thing to achieve, so it does prove that it is a quality product.
With Davanti, we are focused on producing a tyre that delivers safe and, more importantly, predictable handling characteristics.
We know that customers want to have confidence in the braking and handling performance of their cars. Davanti tyres allows them to use their vehicle to its full capability.
Our customers who drive on Davanti can expect that the tyres, first of all, will perform very quietly. They provide a comfortable drive, but also that they've been fully tested to their limits and beyond, which means that we can be confident that they'll perform in wet, dry conditions and there's no compromise on grip.